Katie Lanter is certainly known in this community, but Katie Lanter is an all-star across our state, across Indiana, for what she does every single day in the classroom. She looks at every single student and determines, what can I do to make the most impact, to move the needle for that student, to best set them up for success. And she takes that very, very seriously. South Ripley is known for their data in a rural community, and Katie is one of the all-stars that makes that happen. It is so important for all of the teachers and students to see this. Number one, because you think about athletes have big award shows, actors and actresses, and teachers are, it's the most important profession in our country, in the world. And so we need to do all the celebration that we can get for them. And so for our teachers to feel appreciated and one of their own recognized, and then for students to hopefully consider, if they feel called to join the teaching profession, we'd love to have them. The impact that a teacher can make changes hundreds of lives, and we need the best of the best to serve in our classrooms. This award is not only a celebration for Ripley County. This award is a major celebration for Indiana. We have phenomenal teachers, and we could look at every single school in our state and point out real change agents and difference makers. And again, to celebrate one of our own right here in Indiana, I wish we could do this every hour of every day. But it was exciting to do it today, certainly for Mrs. Lanter. This is the best possible day. Anytime that we can celebrate our people who are doing the good work day in and day out, serving kids, loving kids, teaching kids, you cannot have a better day than this.